we're back. Dr. Jacques Desputri of Soho MD. You're at the Bullpen at the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference. I'm here with Ben Noren of Cell Drop Biosciences. Great to have you here, Ben.
Great to be here, Jacques.
So can you tell us what got you to this point in terms of the work that you're doing now?
Absolutely, yeah. So I did my PhD in chemical engineering, but I did most of my research in biomedical engineering applications. I looked at how cells interact with their microenvironment and how we can make them work better. And so this company is spun out of my PhD research at the University of Wyoming.
No way. So you went straight from, so did you go to a postdoc after your PhD, or you went straight from the work that you were doing during the PhD and you started this company based on that?
A little bit of both, actually. So I started the company during my PhD. I then, in order to pay the bills, got a industry postdoc position with mentor and dear friend Marina out of Jackson, Wyoming. And during that time submitted for a National Science Foundation grant, SBIR. When we received that grant, I then ended my postdoc position and went full-time to Stelter.
That's amazing. And how is that transition going from being a scientist to running a biotech?
Yeah, it's been challenging, but in the best ways. Yeah, I have been doing it now for close on 6 years, I think.
Wow.
So I'm getting better every day. But yeah, it's a challenging transition, but I think worthwhile because I love to learn, and it's been just such a learning experience.
That's incredible. And with Cell Drop Biosciences, so what does the company do? Like, what's the mission? What's
absolutely.
the focus?
So we are an off-the-shelf allogeneic cell therapy company.
Okay.
First in veterinary health and then human health.
Wow.
So we have technology that solves the two biggest problems with cell therapy right now. Number one, we are able to overcome the potential immune rejection of allogeneic cells. And we're able to keep those cells alive and localized at an injury site,
Wow.
which helps them to heal tissue better. We initially are developing an orthopedic application for performance horses, and that enables us to take a pretty challenging market of human healthcare and have an entry point with a lot of great preclinical data and cash in an animal health exit to then move to humans.
Wow. And so the work, so this material that you're making helps enhance, I guess, the biological structure to help with the healing process?
Yeah, it does. So stem cells act like a foreman, right? They signal endogenous cells and kind of tell them what to do, how to heal tissue. What our technology does is it helps those cells that we're putting in there to act as foreman to stay alive and keep talking to those cells for a sufficient period of time to heal tissue better. And like I mentioned, the immune system doesn't love when you put a third-party cell into an organism, right?
Yeah.
And so
it sees it as foreign tissue.
it sees it as foreign, and it can cause inflammation, rejection, that sort of thing. And so our hydrogel is inert. It hides those cells inside of it for a sufficient period of time that the immune system doesn't know they're there, slowly releases them.
Wow.
And because of that slow release, it avoids that rejection and inflammation.
That's pretty
potential.
amazing. So that's really going to help transform
Absolutely.
that area of healthcare.
Yeah, we see it as a major transformative technology, as well as the ability to produce an off-the-shelf therapy just in terms of commercialization. Really important.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And then what are you working on now, and what are you excited about for 24?
Yeah, absolutely. So we just received the phase 2 SBIR from the National Science Foundation, and we are spinning up our IND-enabling study in horses right now. So that's going to be pretty much all of 24 is getting that study done, getting that data, and then I'm kind of here at JPM looking for potential A-series partners when we have that data, and yeah, looking to raise for our clinical trial, and then yeah, bring that product to market.
That's awesome. And then as far as the Bullpen, the community, what's your ask?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my ask is, like I said, we are looking putting feelers out for potential A-series investment partners, looking for the right groups who are jazzed on this type of a transformative healthcare and our unique path to the markets. And yeah, also just looking for potential partners in manufacturing because what we're doing is new and exciting. The manufacturing doesn't necessarily exist. So we need the right partner to help us yes, with scaling that. And yeah, always looking for new connections and new relationships. Yeah.
Awesome. So if you want to learn more about Ben Noren and cell drop therapeutics, cell drop biosciences.
Yeah,
Thank you.
right.
Got it.
It is a therapeutic.
Exactly. You can go to bullpen.ventures and his link, bio, and information and how to connect him will be there. We'll be back.